Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, gold is flying again. Gold made a high of 2395 and right now we can see the gold is standing around 2388, 2390. Gold is bullish, and if you're having a buy on gold, you must be very happy with a big smile on your face because gold is bullish and we can expect further upside on gold. Because if we look at the market sentiment, we can see gold climbs to fresh high. Gold climbed past 2390 per ounce on Friday, touching a new record high driven by safe haven demand amid the risk of geopolitical tensions and a strong physical demand from central banks. So these are the main reasons why gold is going up. So if you're still trying to find out your answers on DXY, then please stop doing it because you need to understand that the correlation doesn't work always. It becomes very easy for us to trade when we see the opposite correlation. But at present, gold is going up because of the demand from central banks and the geopolitical tensions, and there is no end to it as of now. There is no, and still there is a possibility that it may continue for the next few days. So if it continues for the next few days, further upside is possible. Means if you're a swing trader, if you're a positional trader, if you have been holding buys on gold, be on the trade, no need to exit because there is no resistance on the chart of gold like right now, both fundamentally and technically. Though I missed the major part of the rally because I was on vacation, but when I returned, okay, I saw that there is further potential, so I entered on my wife's mobile. Why wife's mobile? Because see, I'm sitting here, okay, probably you guys are learning from me, okay, but that doesn't mean that I'm perfect. Okay, I also have my own challenges. Okay, my biggest challenge is that I lack patience. I have been trading for almost 11 years, but still I lack patience. I'm still trying to I'm working on it. Okay, so as a result, okay, I always try to take position on my wife's mobile because I do not get to touch all the time. Because if I take the same position on my mobile, then obviously I'll be exiting because I'm a hardcore day trader. Anyways, if you are sitting on buy, be on the trade because obviously further upside is possible because of ongoing market sentiment. And if you're looking for resistance, stop looking because there will be no proper answer. And if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then again you need to follow the same trading strategy that you have been following or we have been following, that is buy at retracement, and if market doesn't come for retracement, buy at breakout. Okay, so where are the levels then? Okay, so first of all we have, oh sorry, wrong color. We have 2378. Okay, around 2378, it can be 2377 also. Around 2378 we have the first level where you can look for a buy, especially during the Asian session and European session, because 2378 is the first level, not very strong, but if the volatility of the market is low, you can expect the market to bounce from here. How we have derived this level? We have derived this level with the help of Fibonacci. Apart from Fibo, we have no other help because the other dynamic supports are far away because of the extreme bullishness. You can see here when we drew Fibo from here, we have Fibo 23.6% retracement level around this area, around 2378, and market has shown price rejections previously. So you can say that previous resistance will also be working as support somewhere around here. Okay, so around 2378, 2377 we have the first level where we can expect the market to bounce during the Asian and European session. And in case market surprises us with volatility, in that case we have the second level around 2367 to 2365. This is the second support where we can look for a buy. And let me tell you the reason. You can see we have Fibo 38.2 retracement level around this area, and when we are changing the Fibo, you can see that around the area the support still exists. So around 2367, 2365 we can expect the FIBO 38.22 work. Again, we have the previous resistance working as support. Okay, and then we have 2357 to 2350. This is a big level I'm giving. Okay. So these are the three levels where we can look for a buy at retracement. At present, we can see the market is showing signs of retracement. Okay, not sure whether we will get a proper retracement or not. But if market shows few small red candles during the Asian and European session, you can definitely expect a bounce. But on the other hand, market surprises us with big red candles. Okay, then look for support around 2357, 2355 area, or 2367, 2365 area. Okay, so these are the three levels where we can look for a buy if market comes for retracement. Again, I'm repeating, if you're already having a buy beyond the trade, because further upside is possible, and if you're looking for fresh trading opportunities, buy at retracement is the best way to make money. But as we all know, gold is so bullish that sometimes it is not coming for retracement. I think most of the time it is not coming for retracement. For example, yesterday also it did not come to our level for proper retracement. So in that case, buy at breakout is the only trading strategy. Yesterday also our level was triggered when market crossed 2365. The same thing is applicable here as well. So today we have 2396. So if market doesn't come for retracement, if you see gold going up, you can go for a buy above 2396. But again, I'll repeat, be careful, because buying at breakout can be a little bit riskier, and in this market condition, especially where we did not get a proper correction. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here is we have 2400 also here. 2400 is a round number, and round numbers are little bit dangerous, I will say. Okay, because they are psychological support and resistances. To be honest, I have booked a partial profit in this zone here, because at one point, obviously, we will get to see some correction. At one point, we will get to see some trend reversal. Okay, and 2400, 2500 are the levels where we can see. I don't think so market will break 2500. Okay, from there we should get a big correction. But as nobody knows, market may reverse from 2400 as well, isn't it? We did not have any technical or fundamental indication here, but I have booked some partial profit, but I'm still hopeful. Okay, so if market breaks 2396, enter with a small lot size. For example, if you go with a lot size of, let's say, 0.5, then you go with a lot size of 0.1. If you see that gold is going up again, okay, enter with lot size 0.1. After 15-20 minutes, 30 minutes, if you see the gold is trading comfortably above 2396, or it is going above 2400, then you can enter with rest of the lots, or 0.4. Okay, but initially go with a lower lot size, because already gold has shown extreme bullishness. Okay, very hard to digest. Along with that, round number, the combination can be a little bit off. And if market breaks 2400 comfortably, okay, listen to me carefully, if market breaks 2400 comfortably, then it will head towards 2450, 2500, and that will be a horror story. Okay, and if you're having sell, okay, then you must be in tension right now. And I have already repeated many times that you should exit from your sell, but still, if you're holding your sell position, then try to exit from your sell if market breaks 2400, because nobody can predict the market right now. Not right now. Okay, nobody can predict the top and bottom of the market. Probably you have also heard respected Warren Buffett sir saying a lot of times in his interviews that nobody can predict the top and bottom of the market. Okay, so nobody knows from where gold will reverse, and if gold reverses also, okay, nobody knows, okay, till which point or level gold will come down. Okay, so try to save your capital, because capital protection is our first priority as retail traders, because without capital there is no existence of a trader. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. Be careful and follow proper risk management. Market is very sensitive right now, and keep in touch with the news. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Take care.